Just try one small change. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where there is an encouraging word, a pick-me-up message, and where you will learn something new or just learn something today. If you're new here, hello, my name is V. I want to say welcome to this community. To all my community family, I want to say thank you for showing me so much love. I appreciate you very, very, very much. You make my heart sing. I look forward to filming these videos every single day so we can communicate, engage with each other, and stay connected. I hope you feel the same. Today's look, I am going to create 3 looks, but with all 3 looks, I am going to use one color eyeshadow, just one eyeshadow, and I'm going to create 3 separate looks. You want to see how that turns out? Keep watching. I love you very much. I'm using a very old school palette, like old. I will show you when I'm done, but it is an old palette. Nobody talks about it anymore. I don't think it's even available anymore. It was a collab with Makeup Revolution and some other person. So with that said, I'm going to create the first look. Today's item says, I choose a bright future. I choose a bright future. I'm using a yellow shade and I'm using a small brush because I want to be precise. I want to show you 3 looks, 1 shade of eyeshadow. I have hooded eyes and I have oily skin. I already prepped my eyes with the Plain Makeup by Yolanda eye base. It's a skin tone shade. And my base is on, and it is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Pressed Powder Foundation in 1W6 Sandalwood. I also have my bronzer on, which is by MAC. And I did my brows with a Wet n Wild black pencil. This yellow is more on the mustard side. Lip combo. My blush, Mented. Buried Away. My base, Estee Lauder Sandalwood. And this is look number 1. I use my LA Girl Brown eyeliner to line my top lashes. Look number 1 is to just use 1 color eyeshadow only on the lids. Only on the lids. I did not go anywhere else but the lids. Second way to use a 1 color eyeshadow is coming up. Keep watching for look number 2. Second way to use a 1 color eyeshadow, I am going to show you, and I do have puffy hooded eyes. So this is the second look with 1 color. Keep watching. So now I'm just going a little above my natural crease, and I am going into the crease that I created because of my hooded eyes. If you look, my crease is right here. So my eyeshadow can show, I go right here. And that is just under the bone, right under the bone. If I didn't have hooded eyes, my eyes would look like this. Still using the old school eyeshadow palette, still using the same brush because I want to stay precise. And I'm just working it into that crease that is not visible because of my hooded eyes. I hope everyone is doing good. And if you're not doing good and you need help, I am asking you please to seek help. Ask someone to listen to you. The continuation of today's I am says, the moment I start to change, the moment I am willing to bring good into my life. Sometimes in life, we do something over and over and over, and sometimes we know it's not right or it doesn't benefit us, but we keep doing it over and over and over, and we're getting the same results every time. When things we are doing are not working out, we have to figure out what changes we need to make in our life. Because when we make changes, a shift happens. And when this shift happens, it creates magic in our life. Because it shows that we are willing to change and change for the better, and our life improves. So please don't be afraid of change. Change sounds scary, but do it scared anyways. Good positive change is a good thing for our life. I'm using my Brown Ellie Girl in the lower lash line. Look number 2. As you can see, I went above my natural crease, which is where you can see the fold. So I went a little bit above so I can see the look. As the continuation of the today's positive affirmation, like it says, the moment I start to change, the moment I am willing to bring good into my life. Whenever you make positive changes in your life, it brings you peace and happiness. So making changes, and when it is the right change for your life, no one else's life but your life, it will bring you peace and joy. The only thing I change in this look, other than making this higher, is my lip color. My lip color is called Dragon Girl by NARS. It is a velvet lip pencil. This is what it looks like. This is the shade. Now, I am getting ready to show you look number 3. Same color, and it will be a different way. Keep watching for look 3. Look number 3, same color, but I'm using a big fluffy brush because I'm going to take look number 3 all the way to the brow bone. One color eyeshadow, 3 ways. Keep watching. The continuation of today's I am encouraging word, it says, the universe respond in kind. The universe responds in kind. When you make changes, the universe rise up to meet you. Whenever you take action, the universe rise up to meet you. Always, always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Do not dim your light for another. Take care of self. If you are struggling with any form of ailment, please seek help. If you find yourself being lonely, especially this time of year, please seek help. Life is precious. Reach out to somebody else. No one should suffer in silence. This palette surprised me. I have this palette for a long time, and this palette is still performing nicely. You are an important human being in this world. Reach out to another human being. You are my community. We all need a community. And for that, I am grateful for you. I am thankful for you. Look number 3. Look number 3 is complete. As you can see, I took it all the way to the brow bone. This is the third way to wear a one color eyeshadow look. One color eyeshadow, 3 ways. 3 different looks, and you dress it up according to how you want to do it. I tightlined the eyeshadow. I added a different blush with a shimmer over the blush I already had, and that is by Laura Mercier, and it is called Grapefruit. This is it right here. This is what the shade looks like. That's what I have right here and here. I changed my lip color, and I'm wearing a Juvia's Place lip color, which is no longer available. I love this. And the old school palette I am talking about is, this is the palette. Old School Makeup Revolution and Tammy X, called Tropical Twilight. Gorgeous palette, old school. The shade that I use is this one, and it is called Dusk. Beautiful shades in this palette. Do you have this palette? Did you ever get it when it came out? I still have mine. But this shade right here, is the one I used to create all 3 looks. Tropical Twilight by Makeup Revolution and Tammy X. Please let me know in the comments which eye look was your favorite, which one you wear more often, and always, always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. The rest of today's IMC, the universe responds in kind. Anytime you are kind to yourself, you will be kind to others. Whenever you rise up to make a positive change, the universe is kind to you. Sometimes the kindness from the universe is so small we miss it. Pay attention to how you are feeling. If you feel unbalanced and things are not right, seek help. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for taking some time to watch my video. Please remember to hype this video and share it with somebody else who might just need a little bit of encouragement for today. It is not just about the makeup. The makeup is just part of the whole thing. As I do it, I share with you. Until I see you and you see me. Make small changes in your life and witness how the universe, God, responds with kindness. Just try one small change and do it often and watch how God shows his kindness to you. I will see you very shortly. Until then, let us talk in the comments. And I love you always. And I want you to know that you belong. You watching right now, you belong. Bye.